Good morning, everyone. So, this is the continuation of our previous topic, which is under aquaculture subject. So, this is under the subtopic, which is layout plans for ponds, tanks, pens, and cages. So, we're going to talk about the last topic, which is drawing layout plans for pens and cages, again, under aquaculture subject. Okay, for the learning objectives of this topic, after the discussion, you can identify the different parts of a fish pen and fish cage. You can also identify the signs and symbols of plants. And of course, identify the different layouts of fish pen and fish cage. We can also meet some words or terminologies in this topic, such as the first one, hexagonal. So this is an aquaculture facility with 6 sides. And we have the wave action, which describes the behavior of the wave length. So fish pen and fish cages are usually constructed in open bodies of water such as lakes, seas, and rivers. So oftentimes, these aquaculture facilities are subjected to strong wave, making them prone to damage. So a good design and layout of a structure can minimize the impact of the wave action. So in this lesson, this will provide the basic layout of fish pen and floating fish cage, as well as the different parts of each aquaculture facility. So let's start with the first, the basic layout of fish pen and fish cage. So we have the layout of a fish pen. Next, we have the layout of a fish cage. Okay, so for the parts of the fish pen and the fish cage layout, so normally parts of the fish pen and fish cage, it has a frame or catwalk which provides shape to the culture facility. So the frames of the most fish pen are usually made of bamboos, while for the fish cage, it can be made of bamboos, lumber, or galvanized iron, which is a GI pipe. Ayan. Number two, we have the net bag or cage, which protect the cultured fish from escaping. Nowadays, net for fish pen and fish cage is usually made of polyethylene net. So the net designed for fish pen is enclosed at all sides, while the net for fish cage usually looks like an inverted mosquito net. Next, we have the sinker. So the sinker helps the net hang vertically and prevents it from drifting to the surface of the water. Next, we have floaters, of course. So this is usually made of plastic drums. So it keeps the cage floats on the surface of the water. Next, we have a mooring line. So this is usually made of thick PE rope or polyethylene rope. So it prevents the structure to be drifted away by the water current. And last is the anchor. So anchor, together with the mooring line, keeps the whole cage in its location. So the anchor can be made of concrete block, lead, or bamboo peg. So now let's talk about the types of fish pen and fish cage layout. So fish pen and fish cage comes in different shapes and size. So we have here some of the common shapes of a fish cage. So we have the hexagonal fish cage. We have the square shape fish cage. We also have the rectangular fish cage. And last but not the least, we have the circular fish cage. Okay, so before we end our discussion, let's answer first the post test. So for the post test, um, identify the following parts of the floating fish cage. So that is the direction. So all you have to do is write the parts of the floating fish cage. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. For the references of our topic, disclaimer, so I agree by Sir Dan is an educational vlog. The purpose of this vlog is to provide free education to discuss lessons and clarify issues related to agriculture. The channel owner wishes to thank the trustworthy sources that have helped make this edu vlog possible. Any opinions or views shared in this vlog are also personal and belong to I agree by Sir Dan. So the views of any person that is directly or indirectly connected to the owner do not inherently represent them. In addition, any dependency you put on the materials included herein is solely at your own risk. Finally, if you need more details or have questions, please feel free to contact the owner. And of course, thank you very much to my colleagues Tristan Laruan and Maurice Gravides, of course, De La Salle Araneta University and Phoenix Publishing House. Thank you very much and have a good day.